Welcome back to the Liz Biz Academy. Today we're talking about more S corporation secrets, legal fees, legal fees and expenses. Of course, for your business expenses to be allowed by the IRS, they must be ordinary and necessary. We think it's pretty necessary and ordinary to pay for legal fees to protect the business, to get the business out of a legal situation, to strengthen the business, to protect the business, to write documents for the business, etc. So let's jump into it. While legal fees are 100% deduction. Welcome back to the tax table. Did you know that every legal consultation, contract review, and operational dispute your S corporation pays for can be 100% written off to slash your corporate tax bill? Welcome to S Corp strategy number 18. We're going to pull back the curtain on deductible S Corp fees. If you think that hiring a lawyer is just an expensive headache, you are leaving thousands of hard earned dollars sitting on the IRS table. So grab a notepad because the tax school is officially a session. Here's your knowledge nugget. Of course, we talked about this before. It has to be ordinary and necessary. You also need to specifically separate capital gains from personal expenses. So let's get one thing straight. The IRS does not hate lawyers. They just hate when you mix your personal divorce bills with your corporate operating expenses. Under the Internal Revenue Code 162, your S corporation can deduct all ordinary and necessary legal fees incurred while carrying on your trade or business. When your business lawyer reviews your vendor contracts, drafts employment agreements, or defends your operating territory against an unfair competition, these invoices are 100% deductible business expenses. But remember the golden rule: if it's personal, like your estate planning or a speeding ticket, or if it's a capital acquisition, a capital expense that needs to be deducted over time and hit your capital account, those are different. Those capitalized expenses get tossed out. Okay, those are not a part of your write-off basket. Those are assets that you are adding to your organization. So these things are going to make your corporation and your organization more valuable. You can deduct the depreciation on those items, but you write it off a different way. Either way, we got help. Everything you need, just feel free to send a text 813-462-2758 or jump inside the Lisbon Academy to get some more free learning. So your building block blueprint, learning building block. So I have a couple of items here that you can take a snapshot, screenshot this. This is your free checklist to make sure you have a clear understanding which way you're going. If this is a capital expense, is this something I can legally deduct as an expense and write off this particular year? Or is it personal and I need to um, stop doing that? So we have a ton of great tools for you here. We just want to make sure you guys are getting all the learning and tips and techniques that you need. If you have an idea for or a question for something that we need to answer, feel free to shoot me a text or inbox me and we'll take care of it. Welcome back to the Liz Biz Academy. Don't forget to follow the G code. Fastest way to get started is to get started. Let's go.